under the scheme of Telecom Technology Development Fund, which has been set up under Universal Services Obligation Fund of Department of Telecom, Government of India. Trois Infotech to develop face recognition using drone.
At Trois Infotech, we are creating a state-of-the-art air surveillance drone system, merging advanced hardware with facial recognition software. The drone camera system communicates not only with base equipment, but also directly with cloud services using Wi-Fi, Halo and 4G, 5G LTE cellular services.
Our aim is to develop a drone camera system with a total payload under 6 kilograms with optimized power consumption and ensure better endurance of UAE flight time. The UAV shall ensure safety features like battery failsafe, geofencing, precision, reliability and compliance with airspace regulations.
What sets our one camera system apart is the integration of face adaptive exposure control technology and real-time edge processing of computer vision algorithms for face recognition from a diagonal distance of 200 to 400 meters.
Our efficient AI computation hardware ensures real-time analysis with optimized power consumption. Equipped with a large focal lens and a high-sensitivity CMOS sensor, our drone camera system excels in visual data capture in day, night and all weather conditions. In addition, we are incorporating a low-power laser-based IR illumination which triggers based on a thermal core response, guaranteeing effective and low-power operation in nighttime. Our camera system redefines imaging technology by ensuring no motion blur even in dynamic scenarios. The camera seamlessly transitions into night vision mode, guaranteeing exceptional clarity in low light conditions. Our innovative drone camera system with computer vision caters to diverse sectors such as construction and maintenance, agriculture, emergency response, disaster management, surveillance and law enforcement, traffic management, mining industries, forestry and wildlife, environmental monitoring, and large-scale social events. Our solutions demonstrate versatility across sectors. Join us in our journey to make a difference. Trois Infotech.